What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to edit and how to find and customize this small part of text that normally appears next to your blog post title, image and button to read more. Those are excerpts, okay? So these parts right here are this small space of text, okay? So let me explain you a little bit more, okay? Excerpts is an optional text associated to the post. Most of the time it's used as the post summary, okay? So this is how it definition. How to customize this? First thing to do is navigate your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar menus, find the post, okay? It can be a post, a page, a custom post type like products. Find the post, in my case it's gonna be into posts, and I'm gonna edit this post. Click on it. Now review the left sidebar of menus, okay, on your WordPress dashboard, okay, sorry, the right sidebar of menus. Here we have post and block. Scroll it down, and next to featured image we're gonna find the excerpts, okay? So how to customize this? We're gonna take a piece of text, okay? I'm gonna copy this part of my paragraph, but you can write a unique meta description, can be your SEO meta description as well, to be the experts of this post. So let me go back to post, scroll down, experts, and I'm gonna post, write the experts optional, okay? I'm gonna write it right here and update my post. This gonna make the most of the plugins that display your posts into a grid to show this content right here. All we write right here gonna be displayed instead of the first contents of your post that it normally does. But to make it more useful, go to the settings on your WordPress dashboard, okay, and review the reading option. Scroll down, and right here by default for each post in the feed include full text. No, only the expert, okay, only this. Save change and you are good to go. Simple, easy, effective, and you have solved a very annoying WordPress issue. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case you have any question left. Don't forget to download our borderless plugin, it's free, just like our Enzo WordPress theme. Check our growth.net platform for submitting our blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, our sites.gallery for promoting your site, your page, your game, and our visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, plugins, templates, tools, options, icons, and many more things to create the site of our dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!